Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas reindeer gnome Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with one of these little tinsel trees from the Dollar Tree. I love using these for gnomes, for Christmas trees, topiaries, so many different things. All you have to do is remove the tinsel. You get this great cage. Now, for the gnome beard, I decided to go with the brown rope this time. I've made this before with the white rope for like a little rustic Santa, and I wanted to see if I could do the same thing with the Dollar Tree brown rope. So I cut a length that goes from the bottom two little plastic parts that go horizontally, and then I use that as reference to cut out an entire package to get us started here for the gnome beard. I like to go ahead and attach it first, all in one piece. We can always unwind it later. So just using hot glue, I just glue it to that little middle plastic section that goes all the way across. And I did need more than one package of the rope to go all the way around. To reinforce it, I take my scrap rope that I have there, and using hot glue, I just go all the way around to glue it from the top. So it's glued from the top and the bottom. That way I can kind of pull and tug on the beard when I go ahead to unwind it. It unwinds into three little pieces, and it's going to give you like a curly little beard for the gnome. But being the brown rope, it really gives you a fun rustic feel. I wanted to do a theme for this gnome, so we're doing a reindeer gnome. For the nose, I wanted something red and shiny, so I picked up some of these little red shiny mini Christmas ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use that for the little gnome or gonk nose. I just attach it right about here where the rope comes together, where the ornament topper will be covered up by the hat we're going to make, and we're going to do that with the garland greenery from Dollar Tree. I love DIYing with this stuff. It's so great. You can do so many things. I wanted to make the top of it, the gnome hat, look like a Christmas tree. So I'm just going to wind that around. I just start here at the base where I can cover up the rope, and I just wind all the way up to the very top of the tree. The Dollar Tree garland is kind of wired, so it's really easy to work with. And just kind of fluff it out to give it that tree look. For the antlers, I picked up one of these little headbands from the Dollar Tree. I love crafting reindeer DIYs with these. I just need to detach it. It is on there with glue. A little bit of heat helps you to get that off, the two antlers. And I love the fact that they're kind of pre-made. They're stiff enough to stand on their own. And I kind of want them to go up like that. So I just attach them to the rope beard, one on each side with a little bit of hot glue, pointing straight up. Now for like the brim of the hat, I'm also using that greenery from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start right here where I put that little rope anchor and go around. It's going to be like the brim of the hat, but it's also going to cover up everything that we need it to cover up, the rope, the top of the rope, the top of the ornament, everything like that. And I just attach it like that. So far we have the Christmas tree and the reindeer vibe for the little gnome. Now, since it's a reindeer, I thought jingle bells would be fun. I picked up these little wired jingle bells from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use those to decorate the Christmas tree. So much fun. I decided just to stay rustic and just do a tree topper. So I picked up a little wood square from the Dollar Tree. I stained it with some antique wax by Waverly, and I'm just going to attach that to the top of our little Christmas tree. I didn't want anything too flashy on this. I really liked the browns and the greens together. And I decided that the nose was a little too shiny for the rustic vibe, so I did tone it down a tiny bit with a little bit of matte Mod Podge. And then I couldn't resist the whole Christmas tree vibe. I had to light it up. So I'm going to be adding some Dollar Tree battery operated lights. I chose the white though, so it's not real colorful for this one. I just want the only colorful part to be kind of the reindeer nose. So I'm going to hide the battery pack inside the little gnome and turn that on. You have like 10 lights on these little battery operated lights from the Dollar Tree, but you have plenty of room inside to hide the battery pack. This is a small tree, so that's plenty of lights. I just simply wrapped them around our little reindeer gnome. I absolutely love how this turned out. If you would like more Christmas or winter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting and Merry Christmas.